This is the body part. Underneath, I didn't show any plastic inside there. I'd better put a video on the plastic. Look at this plastic. This plastic is from the... So I cut two. One for the bottom and one for the frame. There, bottom part. Bottom there you put the plastic there too. So when you stuff it, then now this is the head part. Do like a donut first, then sew it up. That's the hand. And you see the patterns all of it, and you can find out in Noni's Craft in Facebook, or tutorial Reno's Crochet. This is a patchwork, the spots on the giraffe. The pattern there, you can make it big or small, how you like, and sew where you like, so you look like a giraffe. That's the hand. So this is the tail part, and that's the pattern. And sew it. Couldn't do the whole pattern traditional way. That's a horn. It'll take longer, more video time, longer, but I wouldn't know you'll like to see it. That's the ears. Okay, the ears. And that's the doll, it looks like. If you want to look like a boy, you can remove the flower and put a tie around it, or a cap on the head. See, I put more patches on the back. The photo, it will be very easy to put it in. You just print out a face and you put the I'm not very good in drawing. And this is the full pattern. Again, you can go and see in the Facebook No Needs Craft tutorial crochet no needs crochet. This is the cat one. If you still want to do the, you want to follow the video or what, the body you can see on the dolls one, same, the hand too. And this pattern, I'll be showing it later. It's coming. This is the doll. At the end, I think you will see the cat pattern too. Put a face there because there's a photo there. I need to hide the photos. There's my grandchildren's there. See, there is. I don't want to show. This is the cat pattern, the cat frame pattern. Show the bobble. Every time they say something different.